Click on the registration button. Enter your email address for verification. Type the OTP received on your email. Fill out the registration form with your details. Select the webinar you wish to attend and type in any questions you may have. Click Submit to complete the process. Registration complete.
Click on the Login button. Enter your Gmail ID. Click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP received on your email. Click on Verify OTP. You will then be redirected to your dashboard from where you can join the session as per the schedule.